Hi, I'm Derek, and on this edition of Ignite Your Week, I'll go over some of Twitter's recent changes to make their platform more trustworthy and useful for brand marketers. First, Twitter's gotten pretty serious about their long-standing problem with bots. According to a story from Social Media Today, in the last 30 days, they have either suspended or deleted more than 3 million accounts. While not all of those accounts were bots, by cleaning up their user base, Twitter's working to instill more confidence that when you get a like or a retweet, it came from a real person. Secondly, Twitter released data and a really lovely infographic on how retailers can reach users on their platform. A few key takeaways: that majority of Twitter retail users are daily users who often use the platform while relaxing at home and are engaged between 6 and 9 in the evening. Nice. Of those users, a quarter of them want exclusive deals or content from the brands they follow, and about 1 in 5 is going to reach out for customer service needs. Hopefully, Twitter's cleanup and efforts and information about retail user habits will pay dividends for your organic, paid, and influencer strategies.